Hello, this is Muzammil Ahmad Advocate here. And I was going through the recent constitutional amendments that are being brought within the Constitution. And as someone deeply interested in law, this was very surprising for me to observe the type of amendments. It's more or less we are heading towards not the accountability regime but saving executive, which actually goes against the spirit of separation of powers. We are also debilitating the position of judiciary, which is very surprising. And so we don't see any kind of parallel examples of such sort within any constitution. And recent examples, if we could find any, could be found within different authoritarian regimes, such as amendments within the constitution tabled within Egypt, and also within Myanmar. So these are some of the countries which are actually in the lowest segments of democracy. And so within any refined democratic orders, we don't find any such examples. And this is actually a mockery of the constitution. That also creates a question of whether the current coalition government has any mandate about tabling such changes. And so there are certain scholars who also think that the tabling of these amendments also sort of vitiates the mandate that they have. And so they don't have the mandate from the people because this was not part of the election manifesto, and this was also not discussed with people. And so the tabling itself of these amendments requires them to take fresh mandate, to resign from their current positions, and also to seek elections, and to seek mandate from people before tabling these changes. About the judicial impartiality and also the judiciary's role, basically, it is also incumbent upon the Supreme Court to take cognizance in connection with the District Bar Association Rawalpindi case, where the Supreme Court had held that they had acknowledged actually the Kesavananda Bharti case is a precedent, and also the doctrine that the constitutional changes are also prone to judicial oversight. And so there is more need for a judicial oversight. uh, and if such changes are to be brought within the constitution, this is actually would be debilitating the position of the constitution itself. And so for students of law and for enthusiasts of law, this would also be a very interesting subject as to how the Supreme Court would take it.